Hello, I'm Matt Salko. I'm the head judge this year for the Watertown Regional FLL First Lego League. This year's competition is Nature's Fury, about natural disasters that happens around the world and how to recover from them. This year the judging is going to be held in 2 hallways with 3 rooms each. Each room is going to be a different judging core, different aspect of the judging: core values, project, and robot design. Whatever judging you're going to be doing, there's going to be links in this video to point you to more descriptions into that. I'll be going over a little high value of what you'll be getting in your prep packet, along with what to expect throughout the day. The way the judging works for FFLA First Lego League is there's going to be 2 hallways with 3 rooms each. Each room is going to have a different set of judges in it, 3 judges each. You're going to spend 15 minutes with each team, 10 minutes for the judging portion of it, and another 5 minutes of deliberation in the room with the 3 judges to write more notes down. For the first room is core values. This is a sample sheet of what you're going to get. There's 3 different sections that you're going to be judging on: inspirational, teamwork, and graceful professionalism. What worked good in the past was each judge took a different section and judged the team from all the way to not the ND, which is not discovered, all the way over to they did everything perfectly. And there's comments fields on it. So what you want to do is that these sheets can be handed back to the team at the end of the day, so they know how to improve and stuff. So if there's something that you need to write or make yourself remember what the team is, please write on the back of the sheet. So this is not going to be shown to the team, so you can write whatever you want for notes and stuff on the back. And then on the bottom there's also more awards, consideration about graceless professionalism awards and teamwork awards. What awards should they be ranked high in that category? In the next room is the project room. In the project room, you have 5 minutes to see the presentation that the kids did on Nature's Fury, another 5 minutes to ask questions about their project to make sure that they did the work by themselves, and then 5 minutes of talking amongst yourselves to figure out what you want to write on the sheet. There's 3 sections in the project judging room, and also comments field. The comment fields is used by you to tell the team what they did great, and what they can improve upon. In the next room is the robot design. The robot design one is where you're actually see the robot perform on the judging table of what they're going to be actually performing the robot on. The form has 3 different fields on it: mechanical design, programming, and strategy and innovation. You rank them from not discovered all the way over to they did a great job on it. You write comments in here depending on what they did good and what they can improve upon. With being a judge, you're going to spend a lot of time with the teams throughout the day in your room. And you're going to be taking, I believe, 2 breaks throughout the day. During that break, we want you to talk things over with you guys and find out which teams you would recommend or what places you would put them in. You'll have a room, in your room, you'll have a sheet that will list the 3 different awards that you can judge for your category you're in, like core values, project, or robot design, and you'll rank your teams from top to bottom. Don't believe the ranking of 1 through 10, 1 through 12. Just put whatever you think is the top team in that field for that category. Write them down, put your reason down. This will help out in deliberation once we get to the end of the day. There's going to be a link in this video of the prep packet. In that prep packet, we'll go over your the job that you're going to be doing for the judging, so core values, robot design, or project. In that prep packet will be your rubric, which will be your list of different awards to apply, and the categories in that room from they did a great job to they did an awesome job. Also, there'll be common questions to be asked throughout the process. So if you're a first-time judge, this will help you walk you through the answering questions and asking questions of the teams. And there's also going to be the listing of all the rewards, what you're going to be corresponding to your rubric at that time. Okay. I'm going to be going over how deliberation works for the first LEGO League at Watertown here. With the process of the judging in the rooms throughout the day, you'll come up with your top 4 teams for each hallway. Because we're doing 2 hallways with 3 judges per room, per each category in each hallway, you'll come up with your top 4 teams for each room. Then you'll come back, we'll write all 8 teams on the board for each category. So we got our core values, which is going to be teamwork. We got a robot design room. We have our project room. 8 teams. All the categories that we're going to also be dealing with too is going to be championships, the championship award, your performance, and also the top 7 to 8 teams going to state. There's also going to be a couple other awards that we're going to be dealing with too. It's going to be Judges Award, Team Spirit Award, and Rising Star Award, and also Grace's Professionalism Awards that you're going to be keeping track throughout the day on your rubrics. The deliberation is going to get tough because there's going to be teams that we cannot give awards to just because of how the structure is laid out. The structure is we can put our first place teams for top teams for project, robot design, and teamwork, along with what we believe is going to be a champion team that performed the best in overall categories. The big decision that comes into it is the performance round. In the afternoon, there's going to be 3 rounds of them actually running the robot through the design, through the field team that they designed. Whatever team gets in the first place at the end of the 3 rounds can't change the whole deliberation of what we did. For example, here for the first round, Team 3896 came in first, and let's just say that they came in first for project, and that's it. So right now, they would not be able to get the project award. So we would have to deliberate to find out what other team was their top seed in this project award to move them up. And because this performance round changes each round, we'll wait until the last round before we actually make this judgment. The only award that the teams can get 2 awards on is the championship and the performance one. So if they did a great job in the performance and they also was an overall top seed for all the other categories in here, they can get both the championship award and performance award. Once all the awards have been decided, we'll find out what 1 through 8 teams will be going to state. The championship one is guaranteed to go first, but all the other teams, we want to make sure we deliberate to make sure we're giving a fair and objective overseeing of the whole day, what all happened. That's what note taking is going to be all about for you guys throughout the day, making sure you see something, you'll have time to walk around the pits, and also other ways to see how the teams interact with each other. So you might see something in your room that was completely different than what you're actually seeing on the field or on the floor of the room, and this is going to be important. If you have any questions about the whole deliberation process, I'll be leaving my email address in here, and actually be going over you. I'll also be going over the deliberation process the day of the event too, just to make sure you guys understand what's happening. This is a lot to take in. It's a very complicated process, but at the same time, this is a fun process too for the kids. Thank you.